guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamisha, also known as Mrs. COTA. So in this video series I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be taking you guys inside the clinic to try my best to give you a real world experience. So I hope you are ready for the ride. Each of these videos is going to be a nice different scenario. So if you have any questions, just make sure you leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want more videos like this, just let me know. I will do my best to make it happen for you. Again, this is me working in the clinic to try to give you some real world scenarios. All right, let's roll. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tamisha, also known as Mrs. COTA. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about sliding boards, okay? So I'm going to explain to you the different kind of sliding boards and what they're often used for. And then I'm going to bring in my patient that's helping us out today to do a sliding board transfer so you can see how it is done. All right, so I have two sliding boards next to me. So the first one that I'm going to show you, this is called just a basic standard sliding board. You can see there's two openings right here. Often these openings are meant for where your hand goes, but I'm not a fan of using this, and I will tell you why. I often don't tell patients to put their hand here. Also, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the other sliding board, which is called a BZ sliding board. Okay, the BZ sliding board looks like this, and it has this little round area that goes from one end to the opposite end. Now, when you're using the BZ sliding board, oftentimes we will pull this out when we're working with a patient that is considered non-weight bearing. So that can be a patient that had bilateral amputations of the lower extremity. That can just simply be a patient that might not have the proper upper body strength and they need added assistance. Or this can just simply be for us, for our safety, if somebody might be obese and they're quite heavy to help transfer and they're weak in their lower extremity. This can also just be a nice option for safe transfer. And as I mentioned, with the standard sliding board, many clinics will have this and they won't really have the BZ. Same function, same thing. It's just a sliding board. I like this because it's less bulky. It slides nicely underneath someone to make for an easy transfer. Okay, the only sliding board I do not have is called a commode sliding board, and if you look at the picture that I have here on the screen, this is called a commode sliding board, which will help someone move from their wheelchair to a commode seat. A lot of times when I'm using the commode sliding board is only if I have a drop down commode, which looks like this, where the arms get dropped out of the way to make for a smooth and safe transfer. But I don't have that today, so what we're going to do, we're going to use these two sliding boards, and I'm going to give you an idea on how you should properly position them underneath your patient and how to properly move your patient. All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it.